Hello, I'm Brian Dupree from the Center for Manufacturing Technology. I'll be teaching the class today. The first thing I want to start out with is going over some new features in Mastercam. I'm going to start with the display feature. They have this graphics display cube here that's new. This allows you to manipulate the screen just by clicking on an icon. Right now, if I click on the top view, it'll spin it over to the top view. If I click on the corner, I can move it around just by dragging it. I can click on the front view. So each corner that you click on will bring you to a different view in Mastercam. As you're doing that, it's changing the graphics view, but it may not be changing the construction plane that you're working on. So if you're drawing on the part and you're doing tool paths, you want to make sure that your other planes are updating along with it. But as you can see, each time you click a different section on this, it'll go to a different view.